welcome to NUBWAY, and this is the latest RF Microneedle machine, and now I will introduce it to you. And now, we turn on the machine. This one is setting button. We have many kinds of languages to choose. For example, we choose English, and save it. And this one is invisive handle. Choose it. It has 4 models: eye, neck, body, and face. For example, we choose face. This one is RF intensity. It has 1 to 10 level, and this one is pulse width time. The range is from 250 milliseconds to 600 milliseconds, and it means the time the needle works in the skin. And this one is count. It means how many times the needle worked. And this button is standby. Touch it and make the machine work. And now, let's back. And this one is non-invasive handle. Choose it. And this one is RF intensity. It has 1 to 10 level, and this one is pulse width. The range is from 1000 milliseconds to 3000 milliseconds. It means the time the needle works in the skin. And this one is count. It means how many shoots the needle worked. And this button is standby. Touch it and makes the machine work. Before the treatment, we need to make sure the face is without any makeup and clean up the face. This is the anesthetic cream to numb the skin. The plastic wrap to cover the face. Make 2 holes for the nose and mouth. "30 minutes after, remove the anesthetic cream. The salted water to clean the cream up. There are 3 sizes of needles, and this one is 25 needles, this one is 48 needles, and this one is 81 needles. This one is smallest one. It's 25 needles. It's for the skin around eyes and mouth and nose. The middle one is 48 needles. It's for the forehead and cheek and neck. Largest one is 41 needles. It's for the body part, for example, back or stomach. This is our package. The needle only can use 1 time in case for the blood infection. And now we change a new needle. Different areas have different needle depths. Now we do the forehead and we need the 0.5 millimeters. Look at this red point. We adjust it to 0.5. Temples cannot do. Now we will do the check, and we need to turn the needle depth to 0.8 millimeters. And now we already changed the 25 needles to do the nose. This is the aspect. After the treatment, we need to clean the skin. This is the hydrating facial mask for cooling the skin, and it is medical standard. This is the epidermal growth factor for the repair of the skin after the treatment. Now we mix the two bottles. And shake it. Within 3 days, the redness is very normal. We need to use the salted water to clean up the face every day, and then we need to use the epidermal growth factor to repair the skin in any time. And then we need to use the hydrating facial mask to hydrating the treatment area. And then we need to protect from the sunshine. This one is non-invasive handle. It is without needles. We have already cleaned up the face with salted water, and now let's begin the treatment. This is hydrating facial mask. Use it after the treatment to clean the skin. It is medical standard. Full time for a course of treatment and with an interval of 30 days. Bye.